Welcome to Lightning Experience from Salesforce. This video shows you how to find your personal settings, where to find things like records and apps, and how to navigate records and find details and common actions. You'll also learn how to use built-in productivity and collaboration tools, how to find stuff using search, and how to use the home page to start your day super informed and ready to go. So let's take Lightning Experience for a spin. First things first. You are here. Well, your user icon is. Click it to find links to your profile and personal settings. When you set yourself up in Salesforce, you can add a snazzy profile picture to personalize your experience. Think of the navigation bar as a container for a set of items and functionality. It's always there, but the items within it change to represent the app you're using. In the navigation bar, you see names instead of icons for easy recognition of things like your homepage, leads, or opportunities. You can create records and access recent records and lists directly from the navigation bar. Click the App Launcher to find other items or switch between apps. The App Launcher shows all your available standard and custom apps. Now, let's take a look at some features and actions you'll find throughout Lightning Experience. Let's use opportunities as an example. Clicking the opportunities icon takes us to that item's homepage, which offers a number of list views. The first thing you'll see is a quick list of recent opportunities, but you can also find deals you own, deals closing soon, and lots of other views with display and data options. Other items have their own list views, but if the standard views don't do the trick, you can create your own. Now, let's look at an opportunity record. Like other kinds of record pages, this one offers a highlights panel with buttons for common actions, and an activity tab where you can log calls, create tasks and events, and even send email. The Chatter tab lets you share updates on details, strategies, and relationships, and the Details tab has key record data. Find groups of related items, such as contact roles or notes, on related list cards. Hover over a link to see details and data right from the record you're on. Now it's back to the Highlights panel for a quick view of this opportunity's account. Let's drill in. As you can see, some records have different designs, but interactions are natural, and it's easy to find the features and tools you need. Search itself is easy to find, right here at the top of every page. Simply click the field to see quick links to recent items, or enter search terms for anything else, no matter where you are in the app. Doing a full search takes you to the top results page. Just type a search term and press enter. You get a high-level overview of relevant matches across all your most frequently used objects. You can narrow results by clicking object names on the left side of the page under search results. You'll see a search results page that lists only records for that object. Want to search a specific object only? No problem. Click the drop-down list next to the search box and select the object. Then enter your search term. Both instant results and full search results are limited to that object. For many objects, you can filter search results to see just what you're looking for. Need help? Lightning Experience's Help menu serves up help topics and more, like videos and walkthroughs related to the feature you're using. It's also a great place to give us feedback. Help topics and videos open in Lightning Experience, so you stay in the context where you need help. You can keep topics open while you work, even when you navigate to other pages. If a help window is in the way, simply minimize it. Then close it when you're all learned up. When you first log in, you'll start right here at home, with performance information and insights, and the assistant to guide you. To learn more, check out these resources, and join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.